Hey there YouTube, SuperBaby239 here. Just updating you guys on what's going on in the world of SuperBaby239. On Sunday, it's Thursday night, evening right now, and on Sunday I'm going to be going to a summer camp for 2 weeks. So, making a quick video before I go. Yeah, lying against a whole bunch of shirts I'm gonna pack. I have a whole bunch of other stuff that I have to pack, and yeah, underwear, sunscreen, basic stuff for camp. And today I went to Savers. Yeah, cool store. Yeah, I went to Savers to see if I could get some sweatpants, because I don't have any sweatpants currently. So we went to Savers and we looked at the sweatpants and stuff, and I don't really have anything green, which isn't really good for airsoft, since when I airsoft with my friends, I airsoft in a woodland area, and I have all like black stuff, so it doesn't really help. So yeah, I went to Savers and I saw these green sweatpants. I'm like, it's perfect. So I actually tried them on, and yeah, I'm going to be bringing them to camp, wearing them, and hopefully I can airsoft before I go to camp, because I really want to. And then I also got a green sweatshirt, so I can be totally green. I also got this foam paint stuff, like flexible paint from Michaels, and I painted my mask, my face mask, kind of camo. I know it's kind of crudely painted, but whatever. Still better than just being solid black. Hopefully now I can own up all the noobs. And I got my UMP with my... I found out how to get the battery into this, but then I lost the battery for the red dot scope. So now, because of the weird hop-up on this gun, I have to inform you guys on this. Even though it says no hop-up is back and hop-up is forward, yeah, that doesn't apply to this gun. This gun just does hop-up anyway, curves the BB up anyway, so I had to lower the sight. I had to point the gun more down to try to aim correctly, but it's not really helping. So I put this on so it can be a more elevated scope, and yeah, hopefully it can work for me. So yeah. Jeez. Yeah, that's basically it. Just, oh yeah, the other thing, I've been sick. I'm getting over sickness. I've been sick for 9 days. Yeah. I've been able to hang out with a friend once, Lopez523. And that was the only friend I've hung out with for 9 days. So it really sucks, and you can probably tell by my gravelly voice that I'm sick. Yeah. And I also missed my black belt karate test for my full black belt because of the sickness. It's kind of the cherry on the sundae, which is just cool. Yeah, missing my black belt test, but now I have to go there 3 days in a row for like 2 hours to make up for the test. Then I'll get my black belt, my full black belt. Yeah, sucks. Yeah. Just a nice evening. It's not the sun, it's my light. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Nothing else to inform you guys about. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.